The images of Earth that we receive from satellites in space depict our planet as a big ball of blue color. The obvious reason for this is because most of the Earth's surface is covered with water and only a small portion is land. Which are the major water bodies on Earth? Most of the water is found in seas and oceans. This clearly indicates that most of the water is salt water. Also, a large quantity of fresh water available is locked in the form of glaciers and ice. So how do we get so much water for all our needs every day? Ever wondered where does this water come from? The magical process of water cycle helps us to gain the necessary fresh water on Earth. Let's get to know about this extremely useful process. But before that, I want you to recollect a few terms. These terms form the principal steps of our water cycle. Do you know what evaporation is? Evaporation is the process by which liquid water is converted to vapor form. And what is the exact opposite process of evaporation? That's right, it is condensation, the process in which steam or vapor is converted into liquid form of water. And do you know what precipitation is? Precipitation in literal terms means something which is saturated falling down towards the earth. So here, in terms of weather, the water drops which are saturated after condensation get precipitated. They fall down. So now that we're well aware of the terms, let's look at the water cycle. Beginning with its definition, the process by which water on, above or below the Earth's surface moves continuously. What do we mean by water moves? If we have a look at the lakes or ponds, then we find that the water is stationary. It seldom moves with ripple formation. But that's not what we meant by movement. Movement of water here means moving from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back down to the Earth. But how does this happen? That is what is explained by the three major steps of the water cycle. First comes evaporation, followed by condensation, and lastly we have precipitation. Let's have a look at each step in detail in the next video.